Welcome to Kapellmeister Choirstools. For 29 years, we have built and sold custom performance fixtures to discerning choral directors from all over the country. Whether you're singing in a sanctuary, an auditorium, or inside a nuclear reactor, Kapellmeister Choirstools give you the flexibility, versatility, and quality you deserve. The flexibility to fit the dictates of any performance venue, the versatility to acoustically and visually stage your group to best advantage, and our quality is unmatched, strong, solid, and pleasing to the eye. We invite you to take a step up this year with Kapellmeister Choirstools.